Hi, Ma'am Sir. Good day. I am Lorian Aureliana. I am 32 years old and I am currently here in the Philippines and I have two kids, ages 9 and 4. My work experience, I work in UAE Abu Dhabi for 2 years and I am finished contract. And my duties and responsibilities, I taking care of 5 children and we have a third floor house and we have a 5 rooms and 3 bathroom. My duties and responsibilities also I taking care of newborn baby 24/7 and I bring the children in the school and I will do house chores like mopping the floor, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, and I taking care of VIP wardrobe. And also I play with them in the playground. And also I have experience working in Hong Kong last 2016 and also I taking care of children and I going to the market and I bring them in the school also and do the house chores. And also my previous work, I worked in Moscow, Russia for almost 7 years. So my duties and responsibilities, I taking care of newborn baby also and we have an elderly woman and I do all the house chores like I cleaning the sauna, the swimming pool, the entertainment room, and also I ironing, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, and everything. I hope, Mom, I have a chance to work with your family and I will do my very best. And see you soon, Mom. Thank you, Mom, and have a good day.